Hello everyone. Welcome back to ShadowTalk Studio. If you are new here, this channel is for people who understand English but struggle to speak it confidently. Maybe you know the words, maybe you know the grammar, but when you need to introduce yourself, your mind goes blank. You feel nervous. Today we are going to change that. Today's topic is introducing yourself confidently. Not just saying your name, we will learn how to introduce yourself in a way that makes people remember you. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ShadowTalk Studio. Also, please watch this video till the end. Let us begin. First, let me ask you something. Why do we feel nervous when introducing ourselves? The real reason is this. We think too much about grammar while speaking. We translate from our native language to English in our head. This takes time. This creates pressure, and pressure creates nervousness. Let me give you an example. Imagine someone asks you, "Tell me about yourself." What happens in your mind? You think in your native language first. Then you try to translate each word to English. Then you worry if the grammar is correct. By that time, 5 seconds have passed. The other person is waiting. You feel embarrassed. This is the problem. Now, here's the truth. Native speakers do not think about grammar when they introduce themselves. They do not translate. They just speak. Their words flow naturally. And you can do the same thing. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Today, I will show you exactly how to do it, step by step, with practice pauses, so you can speak along with me. Are you ready? Let us move to the first step. Every good self-introduction has 3 parts: name, background, purpose. Part 1. Name. This is simple, but many people make it complicated. Keep it simple. Just say, "I'm John," or "My name is John." That is enough. Let me give you a practice moment. I will say a sentence, you repeat after me. Ready? I am Sarah. My name is David. Good. Simple and clear. Remember, confidence comes from simplicity. Part 2. Background. Background means where you are from or what you do. Not your whole life story, just 1 or 2 sentences. For example, I'm from Mumbai. I work as a software engineer. Or, I'm a college student. I study marketing. Notice something. Short sentences, clear information, no extra words. Common mistake here. Many people say, I am belonging to Mumbai. Or, I am doing job in IT company. Wrong. Do not say belonging to, just say I'm from Mumbai. Do not say doing job, say I work in an IT company, or simply I'm a software engineer. Let us practice. Repeat after me. I'm from Delhi. I work as a teacher. I study computer science. Excellent. You are doing great. Part 3. Purpose. Purpose means why you are introducing yourself. Why are you here? What do you want? For example, if you are in a job interview, you can say, I'm here to interview for the marketing position. If you are at a networking event, you can say, I'm here to meet people in my industry. If you are in a casual setting, you can say, I'm happy to be here and meet everyone. let us practice purpose statements. Repeat after me. I'm excited to join this team. I'm here to learn and grow. Perfect. Now you know the three parts: name, background, purpose. Now we combine everything. Our sentence might sound like this. I'm John. I'm from Mumbai. I work as a software engineer. I'm excited to join this team. See how simple and powerful that is?
Here is a complete introduction example. Listen carefully. Hi, I am Priya. I am from Bangalore. I work as a graphic designer. I am here to collaborate on creative projects. Nice to meet you all. Count the sentences. 5 sentences. Less than 15 seconds. But it gives complete information and it sounds confident. Sentence 1. Hi, I am Priya. Clear name. Sentence 2. I am from Bangalore. Clear location. Sentence 3. I work as a graphic designer. Clear profession. Sentence 4. I am here to collaborate on creative projects. Clear purpose. Sentence 5. Nice to meet you all. Friendly closing. This is the formula. Simple, direct, confident. Now, common mistakes people make here. Mistake number 1. Too much information. Some people say everything in one breath. They talk about their city, their job, their experience, their passion. Stop. This is too much. The listener gets tired. Keep it short. Mistake number 2. Apologizing for English. Never say, sorry, my English is not good. Or, excuse me, I am still learning English. Why? Because it makes you look less confident. Even if your English is not perfect, speak with confidence. The listener will respect you more. Mistake number 3. Speaking too fast. When we are nervous, we speak fast. We want to finish quickly. But this makes us make more mistakes. Slow down. Take your time. Speak clearly. Confidence is not about speed. Confidence is about clarity. Now, let us practice a full introduction together. I will say it first, then you say it in the pause. Ready? Hi, I am Arjun. I am from Pune. I am a college student. I study engineering. I am excited to be here. Nice to meet everyone. Great job. Now, think about your own introduction. Use the same structure. Take a moment. Think in English. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Good. Now you have your basic introduction ready. A basic introduction is good, but a memorable introduction is better. How do you make your introduction memorable? You add one sentence about yourself, something interesting, something unique. For example, Hi, I am Rahul. I am from Hyderabad. I work as a data analyst. I am here to connect with other professionals. In my free time, I love playing chess. See what happened? The last sentence makes it personal. Now people remember you. You are not just Rahul the data analyst, you are Rahul who loves chess. Another example. Hi, I am Neha. I am from Kolkata. I am a yoga instructor. I am passionate about helping people stay healthy. I also love cooking traditional Bengali food. The last sentence adds personality. People can connect with her on multiple levels. This is a powerful technique.
One extra sentence, but it creates a big impact. Good topics for this sentence: hobbies, interests, travel, books, sports, music. For example, I love reading mystery novels. Or, I enjoy hiking on weekends. Or, I recently started learning guitar. Let us practice. Repeat after me. Hi, I am Karan. I work in digital marketing. I am also a big cricket fan. Excellent. Now, think about your own personality sentence. What makes you interesting? Perfect. Here's the secret. Native speakers do not just give information, they create connection. How? By asking a question or by making a friendly comment. Instead of just saying, "Nice to meet you all," you can say, "Nice to meet you all. How is everyone doing today?" See the difference? You are starting a conversation. You are showing interest in others. Another example. Hi, I am Anjali. I am from Chennai. I work as a content writer. I love telling stories through words. How about you? What brings you here today? This is powerful. Now Anjali is inviting others to share. This makes her likable. This makes her confident. One more example for professional settings. Hi, I am Vikram. I am from Mumbai. I have 10 years of experience in finance. I am excited to join this team. I am looking forward to learning from all of you. Notice the last sentence. This shows humility. This shows you are a team player. Let us practice one final complete introduction. Ready? Hi, I am Deepak. I am from Delhi. I work as a sales manager. I enjoy meeting new people. I am excited to be here today. How has your day been so far? Beautiful. You did it. Before we end, 3 quick tips. Tip 1. Practice in front of a mirror. Every morning, introduce yourself to yourself. You will build confidence. Tip 2. Record yourself. Use your phone. Listen to it. Notice your pronunciation. Improve it. Tip 3. Use it in real life. The next time you meet someone, use your introduction. The more you practice, the better you become. Remember,